This is our new Leetcode problem, which name is House Rover 198 Leetcode problem. In this problem, we have given a nums array, and question says if I have to rover these houses. So you are a professional rover planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is adjacent houses have a strictly system. This line is important. It will automatically contact to police if two adjacent houses were broken into a same night. Means if I rob in first house, then I can't rob in second house. I have to directly rob in third house. तो अगर मैं फर्स्ट हाउस में रॉबर करता हूँ, चोरी करता हूँ, तो मैं सेकंड हाउस में चोरी नहीं कर सकता. मेरे को डायरेक्ट चोरी थर्ड हाउस में करनी पड़ेगी. और अगर मैं सेकंड हाउस में चोरी करता हूँ तो मुझे डायरेक्ट फोर्थ हाउस में चोरी करनी पड़ेगी. सो आई हैव टू फाउंड द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट दैट आई कैन गेन फ्रॉम रॉबरी. मुझे मैक्सिमम अमाउंट लेना है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव थिंक दैट it is like a recursion. We can solve a few of a part of a nums array, then it will automatically solve the rest of the part. मीन्स अगर मैं छोटा सा पार्ट को सॉल्व कर लूँ बाय यूजिंग रिकर्सन, तो इट विल फिर बाद में मैं फंक्शन कॉल करके रिकर्सन कॉल करके इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली सॉल्व दैट पार्ट. सो here is the brute force solution for this recursion brute force solution. Actually, if I do this code, so firstly I have to declare the size. Int n equals to nums dot size -1. I am declaring vector dp, vector of int of dp of size n plus 1 comma -1, initialize with -1, and I am making a function of solve nums. I am passing in this function nums array and n size of the array and dp. Okay, int solve of vector int nums comma int I comma vector of int dp, passing by reference. So first base case is if I equals to 0. If my I is 0, then directly return nums of 0. If I is less than 0, then what we will do, return 0 direct, because it can't be negative. If this is a condition for memorization, dp of I is not equals to -1, then return dp of I. Now if I take the first element, if int take equals to, then add the first element nums of that I plus function call of particular rest of the part. So nums comma, if I rover in first part, then I have to go in second, I have to go in third part. Actually I am going from last of the array. So n -2 comma dp. मैं एंड से चल रहा हूँ, एंड से ले रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैंने इफ़ आई टेक द एलिमेंट, अगर एलिमेंट लेता हूँ तो उस एलिमेंट को ऐड करूँगा, तो फंक्शन कॉल मार दूँगा. ठीक है. इफ़ आई नॉट टेक द एलिमेंट, इंट नॉट टेक, if I not take the element, then I will add 0 plus function call solve of nums comma, if I am not taking the element, I am not taking the first element, then I will take the second element. Means if I go from the last, then it will write n minus 1 comma dp. Okay, if dp of I will be maximum of take comma not take return dp of I. This is my complete code. This is a simple, very short code. If I run this code, is a problem dp of nums of 0 mean nums of I actually, because I is changing now, so I can't write nums of 0 nums. Oh, this should be I minus 2 actually. So this is a complete, no, now it will work. Nums dot size, now it's running, taking 0 millisecond. If I submit this code, then yeah, 2 millisecond. Okay, so let's discuss about the time complexity and the space complexity. So time complexity will be O of n, because function only taking the function is taking the time complexity, so time, so O of n will be the time complexity, and O of n will be the space complexity for this, because a vector is taking the space only, so that's why space is O of n. So there is a complete memorization code. So now we will see that if I use recursion, then recursion is same. Look at this, recursion is same, only I am not making a dp array actually, simple. Okay, if I use the memorization, I have done this tabulation. Look at the tabulation. In this tabulation I am making a dp array, and dp of 0 equals to nums of 0. It is same like this. If I equals to 0, then return nums of I. Okay, if I am creating a loop for int I equals to 1 to I less than n, then I plus plus int. If I pick the element nums of I, if I is greater than 1, because of this I is greater than 1, pick equals to pick plus function call dp of I minus 2, or not pick dp of I minus 1. It is same like this. Tabulation is basically a form of memorization, and it will also take a O of n, but lesser time. Space complexity is very simple. You can think about this and you can write. Here will be the other code also, so you can think it easy. I am only using the constant space in this question, that's why. Okay, so here is the intuition for this question. If I want to over this one, you can read and you can think about this. So that is the complete video. So please like the channel and subscribe also. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe, because it will give me a motivation for further videos. Okay, so let's comment on my channel. If you found this helpful, then comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for this.